Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's build your dream online store with Shopify, step by step. First, we'll dive into Shopify's intuitive dashboard. Start by choosing a theme that perfectly represents your brand. Shopify offers a vast library of free and paid themes, catering to every niche. Browse them by category, industry, or even by features like featured products or customer testimonials. Once you've picked a theme, customize it to match your brand identity. Upload your logo, adjust your color scheme, and select fonts that reflect your style. Think about your homepage layout. What products do you want to showcase first? Now, let's add your amazing products. Navigate to the products section, click Add Product and fill in all the essential details: a compelling title, a descriptive overview of what makes your product special, high-quality images from multiple angles, and of course, the price. Don't forget to assign them to the correct collections for easy browsing. To get paid, you'll need to set up your payment gateways. Shopify integrates with popular options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Stripe, allowing your customers to pay securely. Next, configure your shipping settings. Decide on your shipping zones, rates, and methods to ensure smooth delivery. To bring customers to your store, we'll optimize for discovery. Head to your online store's SEO settings. Craft a catchy meta title and description for your homepage and each product page. Regularly update your store with new products or blog posts to keep it fresh and engaging. Consider building an email list to nurture leads and announce new arrivals. And that's it. You've just built the foundation for your e-commerce empire with Shopify. Launching your online store has never been simpler. Ready to start selling? Subscribe for more e-commerce tips.